recipes. Are you ready, Summer?
Yes, I am! Today we will cook
Crispy fried chicken! Bak bak bakak! Bak bak bakak!
Now let's begin. Wash your hands, make sure they're clean.
The ingredients are flour, cornstarch, garlic powder, baking powder, and fresh eggs.
Salt and pepper.
And of course, our freshly brined chicken! Remember, you always have to brine your chicken to make it tender and juicy. We have a separate video on how to brine a chicken.
Click over here.
First, let's season our chicken. Summer, can you please put some salt? Okay, all around. Okay, good. Now a lot of pepper. More pepper. More pepper. Over here. Here. La 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 la. Okay, now a little bit of garlic powder. And then let's mix. Mix. Come on, mix.
It's weird.
It's fine. You do the leg. Make sure to season all the chicken evenly. After seasoning the chicken, set aside.
Have to set aside this.
Okay, now let's make our first breading mix. We need 3 tablespoons of flour and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Count.
2, 3.
Next, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And then we mix. Just keep mixing. What do you do? You mix. Mix and mix and mix and mix and what do? You mix. Mix. After mixing, set this aside. Okay. Next, we make our batter. For our batter, we will need 2 tablespoons of flour. Thank you.
You're welcome.
1,
2.
Next, this one. Then our batter. Let's arrange it like this. Hold it. Okay. And now we're ready to coat. Now let's get the chicken. And then put it in our first breading. Shake. Then our egg or batter.